Hello everyone, my name is Yinghua Zhu. My topic is ground improve using the sculptor. First step is introduction of the my report. Due to the rapid automobile installed device in the world, many use the rabbit tail or not perhaps hand. It is that the near the one below tail or not effect trade each year. When you use tail or not the hand, perhaps a lot of mod back pollution will be generated, such as air pollution, source contamination, water pollution. Rubber tail has a no distance health strength, which can make the great advance in civil engineer and technology and energy. Um, have three facts finding the effect of the rock application. First is the size of the tire chips. Second is the most of tire chips. Last one is type of the additive. Uh, the route configuration can improve the direct interface, enhance and the more logical of the manufacturing of the field. The, the manufacturing perhaps of the material and are best at the route conclusion of the 5%. The max rate of the tailscape and the sand mixture is 30% and 17%, which is separate other of the max in test strength and shear resistance. Um, According to the other method of change the concentration of the raft, repeat the raft with the Carson, the aggregate, and the Carson aggregate and the RC special will divide into the different groups. The first max radio uh, always consist of the including the 0% route of tail parts. Then for the route is in 25% value increment until to the 100 instead. After complete the step, test and stress change of the concrete with different configuration of the route. Finally, the experience result shows that elongation and concrete with a straight route is the most ideal. The size of tail chips, the exact size of the route product and pull the Hansen, the impact straight doesn't no change much. The process and distribution of the rubber part can improve the interface and the Hansen and the more strength between the material and the field so that a good talking effect is achieved. The the experience, the small the rough size, the strong the per habit. On the other hand, the small the size of a rabbit grows that strength be it so capital. It is because of this the western rough style can be the sweat treatment. As a result, small the tail fragment proves a large soft area for the absorption of the value waste components in the plummet. Then experiment shows that raft perform better than the conventional conclude in the water ability test and correlation test and the raft size is small than the large of the size. However, it is not small raft size better than big raft size. Additive. The soft rehandness is more situation suitable for the machine enhancement after treatment with an asset the solution. According to council research, When the raft cannot is higher than 10%, whether used on treated rubber or HClO treated rubber, then the youngster modulus is now than pure HDPE. Elongation and tallness value are also low. Rubber that has not been subject to additive entrainment has been complete the chemist's bond and the interval of the chemist's bond prevent the rod from the interlocking with the substrate. Design question. First, the similar experiments of the law. Perhaps of the rod mixture of the different configuration of the configuration are the 0%, 5%, 10% to the 15%, and the 3 for each the concentration. The perfect rod mixture is divided into 3 groups each. Group contains the raft mixture of the different configuration. First, the first group at 10 degrees, the second group at 25 degrees, and the third group at 35 degrees. The perfect rod mixture is paired at a different temperature to similar the summer and winter at a range years temperature in the ready environment. Design question. In order to achieve the best effect of the rapid experiment will be conducted in experiment to study the probability of the rod since the experiments water in the pure water. There is no improvement in the water. The improved are likely because of snack rod result in the design the probability. Three control groups will set up in the experiments and the raft process will the 5 mm, 10 and 15 respectively and use the water conclusion by the river. The last is the advantage design that takes into the account the impact really the environment, improve the further research and disadvantage didn't consider the impact of the other factors on the experience. Because this is my the first design the experiments has many exact factors not considered. Now I finish my presentation.